What if you could turn every wedding you film into a premium, paid experience for guests who can't attend? With Dacast, you can easily monetize a private wedding livestream and create a seamless experience for remote guests. First, we set up a paywall preset for the event. In this case, we'll create one called Sarah and James Wedding. We select a pay-per-view model since access is tied to the live event. Then we define the price in US dollars along with the event date and time zone. Once configured, your stream is instantly ready to accept viewers. From the dashboard, you can track everything in real time: transactions, registered viewers, and authenticated access. Next, you can configure your preferred payout method to collect revenue seamlessly. Now let's customize the experience. We'll create a new paywall theme called Wedding Theme. Here you can fully control the look and feel, colors, text, layout, and even add a video intro to welcome guests. This allows you to deliver a fully branded premium experience to your clients. Finally, you can enable multiple payment options, including credit card and PayPal, making it easy for guests to join from anywhere in the world. Offer your clients more than just a video. Offer them a complete live experience. Start your free trial and turn your next wedding shoot into a premium live experience with Dacast.